Check out these Parmesan salmon nuggets. Crispy crust on the outside with flaky salmon inside. Salmon is great for our health, primarily because it's high in protein, has lots of omega-3s, vitamin D. Since it's just us two, I'm gonna make half the batch, but again, the recipe details are right below. Now you can use fresh salmon or frozen. If you're using frozen salmon, make sure it's completely thawed out and you pat it dry with a paper towel. So I've got some salmon here that I'm gonna cut into nugget-sized pieces. This particular salmon has already had its skin removed, so if yours still has it, take your knife and slide it right between the salmon meat and the skin to remove it. Here in this bowl, I have some flour that I'm gonna season with some salt and pepper. In this middle bowl, I have 1 egg, and in this bowl, I'm gonna combine Panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese is going to mask that fishy taste my kids complain about, and it gives these nuggets a terrific crispy crust. So the first step is to get our nuggets covered with flour. After that, the nuggets get a quick dip in the egg wash. This is so the Panko and the Parmesan coating can stick to the fish and give these nuggets a deliciously crispy crust. Just repeat the process with the rest of the nuggets and place them onto a baking sheet. Now these nuggets can be frozen just like this by transferring them into a zip bag and baked another day. So while you're at it, it's a great idea to make a large batch and freeze them for later. I'm going to give these a quick spray with olive oil to make them a little browner on the outside and a crispy crust. In the oven they go for about 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Look at these, amazing! Perfectly crispy on the outside, flaky and delicious inside. The recipe measurements and details are right below this video, and hit that red subscribe button and let's make a delicious new recipe every single week.